Examiners project a bullish pattern for especially spell genuinely token in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $0.0129 mark, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The ongoing business sector cost of one in a real sense spell genuinely token is $0.000479, which explicitly is very huge. The cost of one basically spell would for the most part reach as genuinely high as $0.0791 United States dollars by 2030, which basically is genuinely huge. The negative cost expectation for truly token, spell, in 2040, truly is $3.49, with a truly possible high of $4.20 in an unpretentious manner. Long-haul examination recommends that basically spell exceptionally token cost might actually flood to $5.54 by 2050, with an extremely likely reach somewhere in the range of $5.33 and $6.12 in an unobtrusive manner. Starting around 23 January 2024, basically spell fundamentally token especially is exchanging at $0.000479 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.43% in essentially most recent 60 minutes, which especially is genuinely huge. Spell really has an all-out market cap of $51,453,135, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,257,414, which by and large is very huge. This truly makes generally spell kind of token, spell, really positioning at 494 in the digital currency market, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the spell token cost expectation end of 2024, what will especially spell truly token in a real sense be truly worth in 2024, which really is genuinely critical. Is basically spell truly token in every practical sense, wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024, which in a real sense is very huge. Will in every practical sense, spell cost outperform its untouched high, or so they essentially thought. These especially are in a real sense, spell genuinely token cost expectations for spell's future in an unobtrusive manner. Spell genuinely token, spell, value expectation 2024 as per the spell in every practical sense, token figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the spell cost certainly is supposed to basically cross a normal value level of $0.000744, the normal sort of least value worth of generally spell really token, toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to be $0.000723. Or so they for the most part thought. Besides essentially spell can arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0.000861, which all things considered, is very huge. Spell value conjecture January 2024. Concerning January 2024, really spell sort of token essentially is supposed to arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of $0.000496, incredibly. The spell cost could arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of $0.000558, with the genuinely normal cost around $0.000543 in a kind of enormous manner. Spell truly token value forecast February 2024. The cost of sort of spell truly token for the most part is anticipated to by and large reach at a fundamentally least worth of $0.000533 in February 2024. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The spell cost could arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.000585, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.000553 all through 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Spell pretty token, spell, value expectation walk 2024. The cost for generally spell in every practical sense, token in walk 2024, can go somewhere in the range of $0.000549 and $0.000607 in an essentially significant manner. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.000570 in a sort of enormous manner. Spell certainly token value expectation April 2024. The cost of by and large spell genuinely token is basically anticipated to in every way that really matters, reach at the very least worth of $0.000572 in April 2024 in a genuinely huge way. The spell cost could especially arrive at a greatest worth of $0.000630 with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of $0.000593 all through 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Spell fundamentally token value expectation May 2024, truly spell sort of token cost, essentially is supposed to by and large reach between $0.000590 to $0.000654 in May 2024, while the truly normal cost of generally spell for the May truly remains around $0.000611 spell value figure June 2024, with respect to June 2024. Spell pretty token is supposed to arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.000597, or so they in a real sense thought. The spell cost could in a real sense arrive at a very greatest cost of $0.000678, with the truly normal cost around $0.000623 in an unobtrusive manner. Spell sort of token value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of generally spell in every practical sense token sort of is supposed to really be at around in every practical sense least of $0.000616 in an unpretentious way. Spell certainly token cost can by and large arrive at a for the most part limit of $0.000709, with the typical cost of $0.000641 in United States dollars, so the exceptionally current market cost of one sort of spell token explicitly is $0.000479, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Spell value gauge August 2024. With respect to August 2024, truly spell in every practical sense, token in a real sense, is supposed to arrive at an extremely least value worth of $0.000646, so spell pretty symbolic value expectation February 2024. The cost of truly spell exceptionally token generally is truly anticipated to really reach at any rate worth of $0.000533 in February 2024 in an unobtrusive way. The spell cost could explicitly arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $0.000735, with the typical cost around $0.000667 in an unpretentious manner. Spell especially token value gauge September 2024. In September 2024, the exceptionally greatest cost for in a real sense spell certainly token could explicitly stretch around $0.000762, showing that while the typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0.000570 in a huge manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of explicitly spell in September 2024 in every practical sense is $0.000673 with a very normal cost of $0.000694, which truly is very huge. Spell extremely token, spell, value expectation October 2024. Concerning October 2024, spell kind of symbolic cost generally is figure